同学们，你们好！今天和老师学习12课的语法。Hello everyone! Together with me in this tutorial, we are going to look at the grammar of lesson 12. 我全身都不舒服。怎么 is a word normally we use to ask a question.But the question is about the cause of something. For example, 怎么8点还不起床? How come? Why? 8 o'clock, still wake up yet? And talking about the meaning of why or to ask the cause of something, previously we know we can use 为什么 Why 8点还不起床? And these two words you can put at same places in general before the predicate. So either at the beginning of the sentence or right before the predicate 都可以. So the question you can also say as 8点怎么还不起床? 8点为什么还不起床? You don't have to worry about the order of words. So here comes the question. What's the difference between 怎么 and 为什么? These two sentences, do they really show the same meaning? Yes, quite similar, but with 怎么, somehow it shows the feeling of surprise. How come it's already 8 o'clock, you still not wake up yet? 怎么8点还不起床? Next, let's look at 怎么 and 怎么样. Are they same? No, they're not. We can use 怎么 put before verbs or actions, means why this happens or how come this happens. 怎么病了? How come you are sick? 怎么头疼? How come or why got a headache? However, 怎么样means how, but we use normally after any words or a sentence, means looking for the comment or ask about the condition. For example, 身体怎么样? How is the body physically? How's the health? 头怎么样? How's the head? So these two words, they are different. Then let's look at these two sentences. What do you think? Which one is correct? Which one is a good question? The first one, 你怎么样不看病? Or should you say it as 你不看病怎么样? The first one, yes, it's a wrong question because 怎么样 look for the condition. We cannot put 怎么样 before the verb. To correct the sentence or to correct the question, we have to say 你怎么不看病? Why or how come you don't have a checkup? And this sentence, what's the meaning of it? 你不看病怎么样 means talking about you don't have a checkup. How is it? What do you think about it? What's your comment? Next, we look at this sentence. 好吧，我去医院. And in this sentence, 吧 somehow is used to soften the tone. And actually, 吧 has many usages. For example, it can express requests, comments, persuasion, and sometimes consultation, and even more. So let's look at these examples. 请吧. Actually, you can just say 请, but 请吧 somehow means your request or comments on something as well. Maybe 请坐吧 request to sit down. And when you use 吧, it somehow soften the tone. 我问一下吧. Let me ask with this 吧 to soften the tone as well, and also it suggests consultation at times. 跟 somebody 一起。一起 means together, so we use this pattern means together with somebody. And this kind of expression normally put before the verb or before the predicate to attribute what happened with the predicate. For example, 他跟朋友一起做练习。做练习 is the verbal phrase. So how to do the exercise? 跟朋友一起。So the phrase 跟 somebody 一起 modifies what happened with the verb. 他跟朋友一起做练习。他跟宋华一起锻炼。Together with 宋华, he does the physical exercise. 我跟你一起去医院看病。去医院 go to the hospital. 看病 have a checkup. Together with you, we go to the hospital to have a checkup. Or in this case, it means I accompany you to go to the hospital to have a checkup. Next, we look at the pattern of sentences, which is use subject predicate structure as a predicate. So it sounds a little bit confusing, but we can look at this table. So basically, in any sentence, you can see there, normally there is a subject, and after subject, what happened with the subject, all those expressions, we can call them predicate. In these kind of structures, one subject predicate structure works as the predicate. So for example, in this sentence, 马大为头疼，头 the head, 疼 be painful. So head is painful. In this case, head is painful is a subject predicate structure. However, in Chinese sentences, this kind of structure can work as a predicate in a bigger sentence. 马大为头疼。马大为 head is painful. And here you don't have to use the. You don't have to say 马大为's head is painful. You can directly use painful, a headache, as the predicate. 马大为头疼。And next is an example as well. 全身都不舒服。Over the body not feeling well. 他全身都不舒服。He doesn't feel well everywhere, all over the body. He doesn't feel well at all. And next one, 身体好吗? Could be as a sentence already. Body okay, physically okay 吗? However, you can use this sentence as the predicate in another sentence with 你 as the subject. 你身体好吗? How are you physically? 天气不冷 could be a sentence. The weather is not cold. And you can use this structure as the predicate in another sentence together with 今天 as the subject. 今天天气不冷. Today, weather is not cold. Alternative questions with 还是. So the pattern of these kind of questions is A 还是 B. B is the alternative one. A is the alternative one and B is alternative two. Of course, when you ask the question means you choose A or choose B. For example, 现在去还是下午去? To go now or to go in the afternoon. So alternative A is 现在去 and the B is 下午去. In this case, in this question, you can choose between two verbal phrases. And next one, 你看病还是他看病? For the alternative A, 你看病, you have a checkup. Or he has a checkup. In this case, choose between two sentences. And next one，你愿意吃药？你愿意吃中药还是愿意吃西药？It's a full sentence as well. You want to eat Chinese medicine or want to eat Western medicine. So you can say 还是 can connect any kind of structure, either words, phrases, or even full sentences 都可以。But when you answer this kind of question, you just pick any parts, pick any alternative, repeat it as the answer, either alternative A or alternative B as the answer. For example, 现在去还是下午去 Go now or afternoon. You can just repeat the first part or the alternative A 现在去 And for this question 你看病还是他看病 You pick either A or B. Repeat the whole thing. For example, you can say 他看病 Right? Repeat the whole alternative parts as the answer. And for the last question 你愿意吃中药还是愿意吃西药 Which one you want to eat? You can repeat the whole expression 愿意吃西药 want to eat Chinese. It's Western medicine. So this is how do we make alternative questions. And 这个就是12课的语法，谢谢大家。